Open your Google Chrome browser, type the link to Google Classroom on the address bar or search for Google Classroom in Google. Next, click on the plus button on the top left of your browser. You will able to see Join Class. Key in the class code and click Join. Read the instruction provided. Download the virtual classroom timetable. Next, click on the classwork on the top of your browser. You will be able to see the topic of assignment. Choose your correct assignment. Click one of assignment. At the bottom, click View Assignment. Read the assignment instructions. Complete the task assigned.
Ping pong. Look at my ABC house. This is letter A, this is letter B, and
once completed, click on the mark Complete on the right side of your browser.